Hi there. How are you doing?
Ah, I'm
Hello.
doing great. How about you?
I'm
Hello.
doing perfectly fine. I'm doing perfectly fine.
Okay.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Somalia.
Somalia. Okay. Okay. May I know why you're
Yeah.
hiding your face?
I don't like to. I don't like to show off my face.
Okay. 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 I got your point. Okay. Okay. So, shall we start from introduction? Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay.
Could you please introduce yourself?
What?
Could you please introduce yourself? Could you tell me something about you? What do you do? Where do you live? Your plans, hobbies, etc.
Okay. Okay. You see, I'm from Somalia.
Mhm.
I'm married. Uh,
You are married. Yeah.
I'm here to learn English.
Okay, you want to learn English.
Yeah.
Okay. May I know why? What is the reason behind? What is the intention? What's the purpose of learning the language?
So I wanted to go outside
Outside means like another country,
other country. Yes.
other countries. Okay, which country do you want to go, and what is the reason behind it? Why do you want to visit another country, foreign country?
There is no one country, so I would like to, to travel everywhere.
Travel everywhere. Okay. So, how many members are there in your immediate family?
My family.
Yeah, how many members are there?
How many?
How many members? Family members.
Okay. Uh, I don't understand your question very well, but I think
How many members
you
are there
talk
in
in
my
my.
in my family? There are three members. Okay, me, my brother,
Okay.
my mom. There are three members in my family. How many members are in your family?
I get it. I have 13 siblings.
How many?
I have 12 siblings.
12 siblings you have.
12, 12.
12, 12. 1, 2, right? 12 siblings you have.
Yes, yes,
Wow, big family.
yes.
Okay, great. Great.
And mother and father.
What's your dream?
This is my daughter.
Okay, she's beautiful. Okay, what's her name?
أنعام
Her name? What's her name?
أنعام.
Anham. Okay, so you guys belongs to Muslim community?
Yes, we are Muslim.
Okay, okay, got your point. Okay,
How about you?
I'm a Hindu from India.
Uh,
I'm from India.
uh,
Yeah, okay.
okay.
Okay, so how
Bye
many times
bye.
do you have conversation in this?
Bye bye.
Okay,
Bye bye.
how many times do you have conversation
What?
in this application?
Bye bye. How many?
How often? How many times? Twice in a day, thrice in a day? How
No,
many
no,
times?
no. I'm struggling to make conversation because I feel so shy.
Okay, feeling so shy. Okay, but you're doing good
Bye
job.
bye.
No, you are very proactive
Good.
woman that
Bye
you have taken
bye.
decision to learn the language. Okay, okay. I really appreciate that you are taking initiative to learn the language. And how long have you been learning the language?
Oh, it's been a long time
It's been a
because
long time. Okay,
I think mm, I've been learning for 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Okay. I really like to ask you one question. Okay. What is your hobby? What are your hobbies?
Oh, my hobbies is
Mhm.
like reading, uh,
Reading.
learning,
Reading.
learning skills.
Okay.
Mm,
And that's it.
mm.
Okay. Hmm. So, do you live in a city area or a rural area? Where do you live? In a village.
What?
Do you live in a village or city? Where do you live?
I I live village, village.
You live in a village. Okay. What's the name of your village?
It is named Kahwa.
Tehava. Okay. Okay. So, what do you eat in your meal? I mean, what is your staple food there? Means what is your normal food?
Sorry,
What is your staple food? Means like, do you eat rice, chapatis, bread? What do you eat all them? Mostly.
okay.
Hmm.
Mostly it
Yeah.
is Anjera.
Anjera.
Do you
Oh,
hear Anjera? Yeah,
no, no, don't know.
Anjera. And second, rice.
Second in rice. Okay. Do you like fish
Yes,
to eat?
yes.
Okay.
I like.
Okay. Okay. I got your point. Hmm. So, our time is over.